Now, hedge funds continue facing more margin call, and this is an article, ladies and gents, that we just got to read coming from Bloomberg, which shows or indicates that because of Chinese equities surging the way they are, like our favorite stock Nio, hedge funds are on margin call. They are losing a lot of cash, which is something that I think it's long overdue. It's incredible to see this because, what were they expecting? Chinese equities, including our very own Nio, fundamentally they've been growing, and at some point they had to make a turnaround and start surging. The tanking had to stop, and this is what we are seeing happening right now. Companies like Nio is up, almost 100% in a space of like a month, which is something that is pretty exciting. A few weeks ago, Nio was trading at $3.60. Right now, the very same Nio is trading almost at $7 per stock. In fact, pre-market, as I'm doing this video, Nio it's trading at $7 per stock, which shows you the kind of gains we have witnessed in a space of a month. And this is simply because of the current fundamentals we are seeing onto stocks like Nio. This is because of the kind of support that we are seeing from the government injecting or going to give banks, brokers to inject money into the Chinese equities. This is something that is just so incredible, and this is leading into, of course, stocks like Nio, stocks like Baba, stocks like Xpeng, Lioro, and the others to continue surging. I'm very excited to see this, and those that took the low trading price, the $3.60 of Nio, as opportunities to load the boat, they are absolutely very excited about what we are seeing onto this stock. Now it has been like, I think 2 weeks or 3 weeks seeing Chinese equities or seeing our favorite stock Nio continuing to surge. And I think the hedge funds better learn the lesson to say that you cannot keep on crashing these stocks. If I'm to go back 2 years ago, Chinese equities have been crashed so bad from delisting fears, from, of course, crackdowns on tech stocks and all those kind of things, and they have never recovered from that. Fundamentally, these stocks have been improving, growing. Today on our favorite EV stock Nio, we saw them reporting total deliveries of 21,181, representing a 35.4% increase year over year. This shows you that this company continue growing, but however, their valuation, the share price, it's not valued fairly, because this company have been showing growth. This company have been showing consistent growth over the years, but share price wise, it has always been tanking. And I think it's now is the time that we see a good recovery into stocks like Nio. So many of the people, the short sellers, it's very interesting how they are fading away when it comes to talking bad about companies like Nio, how they are now quiet because they see the huge gains that we are witnessing onto Nio. It is something that is so amazing. It is something that is great, and I think we are going to continue seeing this as the year unfolds, because companies like Nio continue doing very well. Nio today, not only did they report their deliveries of their Nio models, but they also reported deliveries of their Onvo L60, which is their first sub-brand, which is just so amazing, so incredible, and it tells us that blue sky is coming. Like I said, pre-market already Nio it's up over 4%, which shows you that today we might also go and see or end the day on a green, which is something that is just so incredible, amazing, and it shows you that indeed blue sky is coming. I have been saying, together with other YouTubers, other retail investors, to say that our time will come. I'm not celebrating as yet because my average on Nio is still very high at $17.80, and hopefully we get to see that price or Nio share price, stock price heading there probably within the next 12 months, which I'm certain that we'll see, and I will get to a break even and now wait for more gains, which it's something that is just so incredible, amazing, and I look forward to that. So those that bought Nio for the very first time at towards the 52-week low. Kudos to you. You guys should consider yourselves lucky, because from here onwards, I think we will see more surging than, of course, the share price crashing. We'll see more of that, because fundamentally, companies like Nio are proving themselves not only to us as the retail investor, but big financial institutions are also looking positive, or are seeing the positive that is coming out of Nio as a company, which is why they are coming and increasing their price target onto Nio, which is so amazing, which is so incredible, and it tells us and shows us that indeed the blue sky is coming. So tell me what you think about this article we got to see, or got to hear, coming from Bloomberg, because of the surging of Nio, because of the surging of Baba and others. The hedge funds are losing money. They are on a margin call, and the more we see these stocks surging, is the more we are going to see the short sellers burning, because they've been shorting this stock for quite some time, and enough is enough. China has also stepped in by giving a boost into their market, or into these equities, which is something that is just so incredible. I mean, last week you'll remember that we spoke about a billionaire who came and said that he will be buying, or he's buying everything China. So he's buying Chinese equities, he's buying Chinese ETFs, because he sees the potential that lies within these Chinese companies like Nio. He sees the potential that lies with the Chinese economy, which is something that is so amazing. I mean, it was just unjustified to see some of the Chinese companies who have 50% of their market cap as cash at hand, or as the available cash they have at hand. I mean, imagine a company has got an $80 billion cash at hand, but the market has valued that company $160 billion. I mean, this is the thing that we've been seeing onto some of the Chinese equities, which is something that shows you that it was just so unjustified how the market was valuing some of these Chinese equities, and it's long time. It's now overdue to see Chinese equities surging the way we are witnessing, which is something that is pretty exciting. So tell me what you think about this. I'm very excited. I'm enjoying the run. I am entertained. Are you entertained? I think I am definitely being entertained by what I'm seeing into most Chinese EV stocks, like my favorite stock of all time, Nio. So I'm happy, man, and I think, or I hope that today we also finish the day on a green, which will be so incredible, so amazing to watch. Tell me what you think about this. Blue sky is coming. Just thought I'd just give you this quick update, and God bless you all.